Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to walk you through how to add a drop-down menu, and if you want to get more Squarespace help, feel free to head over to SEO Space's website where we've got a ton of free resources. Now, getting straight into it, it's super easy in order to create a drop-down menu on Squarespace. All you're going to want to do is head over to the Squarespace editor and then go to Pages. From here, what you're going to see is first the main navigation and not linked. In order to add a drop-down menu onto your main navigation, i.e. the header at the top of your Squarespace website, what you're going to want to do is press plus here. From here, once you've opened this, you're going to want to scroll to the bottom and click drop-down. This is going to add essentially a folder into your Squarespace website where you can drag pages that you want to appear in that drop-down. So for example, here, this is my brother's website. He's a gardener in a small town in the UK. I can add a services folder or drop down. And from there, you'll see that this services has automatically gone to the header. From there, all I need to do is drag pages into that folder that I want to appear in the drop down. And the drop down is going to automatically be created. So you can see here, we've got the services. If I head over to this services drop down here, you can see I've got Gardener Shropshire, which is the page that I've just added in. And if I wanted to change the name of what appears in the drop down, I just double click, and then from there, I can edit it and it will change what is here. And likewise for the drop down actual name, I double click, I can add anything in there and it'll automatically update on my Squarespace website, as you can see here. Now, if you want to then actually style this for mobile, all you need to do is click here, click on the mobile view, and you'll actually be able to see how it actually looks in mobile. So it is really, really easy to do this on Squarespace. Now, if you actually want to have what's called a mega menu, so as you'll see on the SEO Space website, if I hover over resources, you'll see we've got this mega menu here where we've actually got pages that pop down and we've got this cool little effect on there. Now, if this is the drop-down menu that you're actually looking for, you need what's called a mega menu. And in order to get that, I recommend heading over to Will Maher's website, and he's actually got a plugin where you can get a mega menu. And that's actually what we've got on the SEO Space website. So super easy to set up. I'll add a link to that in the description. But hopefully after watching this video, you now understand how to add a drop-down menu on your Squarespace site. And if you found this helpful, feel free to subscribe to SEO Space's YouTube channel or sign up to a 7-day trial of our Squarespace SEO plugin in order to get your Squarespace website found on Google.